How to keep him wanting you. When it comes to making a guy want you, it's typically not as complicated as you might think. As a guy, I would recommend keeping things simple and not overthink too much. There are several things that all of you ladies are capable of doing to make the guy you like or that you're dating want you back. 1. Chill out a bit. Quite simply, if you act like you don't give a damn, guys will want you. Some guys like being chased because they want attention, but that doesn't make them want you. Acting carefree makes it seem like you don't need a guy to be happy and content, and this shouldn't actually be an act. That will make a guy want to chase after you because he'll like the challenge. Some guys will also envy your laid-back attitude, which helps make you an interesting person to be around. 2. Show off your intelligence. A lot of you ladies are into smart guys, right? Well, it goes both ways. A lot of guys have their curiosity piqued by smart women. This is particularly true for guys who are a little on the dumb side. For some reason, they crave being around women who are smarter than them. If you come across as intelligent and well-read, guys are more likely to want you and think that there could be a future. 3. The best dating, relationships advice on the web. If you're reading this, check out Relationship Hero, a site where highly trained relationship coaches get your situation, and help you accomplish what you want. They help you through complicated and difficult love situations like deciphering mixed signals, getting over a breakup, or anything else you're worried about. 4. Laugh a lot. Guys love hearing a woman laugh. This is especially true if we think that we're the reason why you're laughing. Well, as long as you're laughing with us and not at us. Being able to make a woman laugh feeds our ego in a big way, which makes us want to be around you so you can keep feeding our ego with your laughter. Therefore, if you make a guy think he's funny, he'll start to want you. 5. Say his name. Speaking of ego, nothing makes a guy feel more special than hearing you say his name. I also think this is a trick shady guys use to lure women. Of course, nothing says you can't use the same tactic to make a guy want you. Obviously, you don't want to say a guy's name constantly, that would be weird. But you should sprinkle it into the conversation regularly. It'll make him know that you're thinking about him and think that he's special. In turn, he'll start to want you because he'll subconsciously be thinking that you want him. 6. Surprise him. Few things will make a guy want you more than the ability to keep him on his toes. Of course, sexy surprises are always welcome, but little gifts and last-second plans can work too. If you can remain a little unpredictable, a guy will never lose interest and keep wanting you. 7. Change your appearance. Speaking of surprises, a change in hair color or wardrobe can be great ways to grab a guy's attention. This is particularly true for older relationships where things might be starting to get a little stale. The trick is to do something that will be obvious as soon as a guy looks at you. He may not notice your new haircut, but a change in hair color won't go undetected. It'll make you seem spontaneous, which is always key in making a guy want you. 8. Withhold details. This is another good idea for couples. Granted, it's a little bit of a game, but it's a clever one. When you talk about your day, leave out important details by just giving him the bare minimum. Tell him enough to get his attention and then wait for him to press you for more. It's a nice way to make him engaged and interested in you. 9. Remind him why we fell for you. If your relationship is cruising along, make your boyfriend want you again by reminding him why he wanted you in the first place. Surely, you know why your boyfriend was attracted to you initially, right? Well, find ways to remind him of that. It could be the outfit you wore on your first date or even a recreation of your first date. Sometimes, that's all it takes for a guy to want you the way he used to. 10. Keep your distance. It's simple geography. A guy can't want you if you're always around. That doesn't mean you should disappear completely. That would be confusing for him. It just means you should avoid being too clingy or needy. Be sure to live your own life and be unavailable to him sometimes. Trust that absence will make his heart grow a little fonder. If you can make a guy miss you, you can make him want you. 11. Be confident. I can't say enough about the importance of confidence. A guy will desperately want you if you believe that he should want you. Show him that you're comfortable with who you are and confident that any guy would be lucky to have you. If you believe that you're something special, guys will believe it too and start to want you. 12. Smell nice. Okay, this isn't me saying this, it's science. Pheromones are a real thing and can play a role in making someone want you. If there's a certain soap or perfume that a guy says he likes, stick with it. He may have an inexplicable attraction to that scent, and as long as you wear it, he'll want you. 13. Be proactive in bed. So, this works in two ways. First, don't be afraid to initiate sex sometimes. It doesn't have to be all the time, but at least sometimes. Doing so will show a guy that you want him, and in turn, he'll want you more. Second, don't be afraid to take control in bed. This can include experimenting with new things. If you never let a guy get comfortable with a routine when it comes to sex, he'll never know what to expect next and he'll never stop wanting you.